I think it's very hard to lose an art. There will be always somebody doing, but losing an art, I think it hurt the world. My name is Hayko. I am a master antique rag restorer. I'm an artist. This is finished now?
Not yet, because I'm trying to go up to here, you see?
Yeah.
There's somebody else did, so...
I was born in Istanbul. My grandfather gave me this rug. I loved it. It needed some restoration. At that time, I didn't know anything about repair. We give to somebody. They did very bad job. And I was very upset. And I wanted to learn myself and do it myself. That's how I learned. There was a Armenian master restorer actually in Istanbul. I went all summertime. I was practicing, learning from him. I love everything about rugs: color, texture, wool, the softness, history, designs. I always grow up with the carpets around me, at home, in my grandfather's home. I saw the carpets. If there is no carpet, something is missing. The carpet actually is a furniture, like you have another furniture at home. A carpet also is another form of furniture. When you put on the floor, it gives it changes everything. It gives the color, it gives comfort. When you repair something, you are completely out of this world, and you just concentrate to design, color. You have to love, and when you work, you have to work with your heart, with your hand, and with your brain. When you restore a rug, corner is missing, or there is a hole. When you complete the job, you feel happy. I feel happy, and everybody is happy. It's like single weft.
But it's not.
It's not, yeah, I know. Sometimes, like here, you can see both. She put the red weft here. You can see both of them here. I think you have to have imagination and courage, and if you believe in yourself, all my 95% of my students, when I have a weaving classes, they were able to do the class. I mean, from beginning to end, they were very happy. They used their imagination, and then I just showed them how to make knot and warp and weft, and they are able to do it. They are young people wants to learn this art. They are also elderly people wants to learn. They are coming to learn because they want to learn. Some people, they come because they want to relax. There is also people, they come to learn this as a therapy actually. If you look at carefully at the carpets, at the design, there is a history. You can, by looking, you can understand. You have to study. Even some design appear you like years later. You know, you didn't see yesterday, but in 6 months later, you discover something in the carpet. There is a difference between rug and kilim and the tapestries. The rug, what makes the difference? Rugs made by knot, which makes a pile. Kilims, it's a flat weave, which weft make the design. All time, they used to dye wool with plants. That's they are more difficult than the dyeing chemically, because chemically you can dye a wool for 5 minutes or 2 minutes, but when you dye with the vegetable, it takes days, even weeks. You know, the materials are very important when you use for on antique rugs, because at the time when they were woven, there was no machine. Everything was handly done, hand spun, hand dye. I hope there will be more people wants to learn this craft, because this is almost disappearing art.